Good morning everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel Leaf Classes. I am Anjali. Children, many of you commented that which type of programs you must practice for the exams preparation. So if we see in section B, you get 6 questions and out of 6 you have to attempt any 4 questions. After analyzing the previous year question papers and keeping the further reduced syllabus in mind, few types of programs are there that you should and you must practice. So if we start, the first question in section B is a descriptive question of class as user defined type. Class as user defined type, right? Children, now in this question, you can get the question without constructor or with constructor. It can be with or without constructor, right children? And now here this question also, if it is with constructor, it can be default constructor or it can be parameterized constructor. It can be parameterized or default. So this is one program that is always asked. Now children, many of you have asked this also, that in class as user defined type program, you should write the variable description or not. My answer is yes. Because although we declare the data members, but sometimes in few functions we are using the variables. Those are not the data members, so always go for writing the variable description for these type of questions also. The second type of program which is asked is menu driven program. Now children, in menu driven program, normally it is not written that you have to use switch case or if. You can use any of these statements for doing menu driven programs. But I will recommend that you prepare switch case statement for menu driven programs, because sometimes it is always mentioned in the question that use the switch case to write a menu driven program. So you should practice that, right? Now in menu driven program, the options can be pattern based or series based, right? Write a menu driven program to display the following patterns or the series. Now in this pattern also you can get number patterns or you can get character based patterns. Now these type of patterns can be asked, so prepare well. Children, all the type of programs which I am telling you today, these videos are present on the channel. You have to work little more to understand the concepts of these type of programs. So second is menu driven programs, where you have to prepare pattern and series based programs. The next type of program is function overloading. Now children, here in function overloading programs, please make it sure that if main function is asked in the question, then only you write. Otherwise the functions with the same name, that is function overloading, you can write only 2 or 3 how many functions are asked. Please read the question carefully in function overloading program. And one program is always asked from arrays. Children, in searching and sorting, you have linear search and bubble sort in your syllabus. And apart from these searching and sorting techniques, you should know the basic programs which, like addition of the elements of the arrays, finding the greatest and the smallest element, finding the elements at even positions, odd positions, like this simple basic programs can be asked. Okay. One program is always there in the question paper from number programs. Children, please check the playlist. You have so many number programs on our channel. And now when we talk about number programs, these number programs can be asked with the combination of user defined functions or without that. So prepare all the topics properly. Sometimes 2 or 3 topics are mixed together and then the question is framed. As string programming is removed from the syllabus for 2021 batch, so we have one more program from library classes using character functions. Children, the program on character based functions can come, or the series program or the pattern program. Now children, here I have written 3 types of programs. Out of these 3, one can be asked in menu driven program, and out of remaining 2, one can be your 6th program. So these are the 6 type of programs which you must prepare for your exams. Many of you have asked whether you should write comments in the program or not. Again, my answer is yes. Children, don't copy the question from the question paper in your answer sheet. Just put the correct question number and then as a comment entry you can specify the purpose, the objective of the program. Like you can write program to check for prime number. Like this it can be given. So wherever you are doing some calculation for input before display, for all these type of things I will recommend you to give the comment entries, because it becomes very easy to read your program. So always it is recommended. I hope the types of questions which we have discussed today will help you in your exam preparation. These all type of programs are available on the channel. Please check those videos, and in case of any problem, please do comment in the comment section. Those who haven't subscribed the channel yet, please do subscribe and press the bell icon so that you get the notifications for all the videos and no important topic is missed by you. You can join us on our Telegram channel also. The link is there in the description box. Keep practicing, keep doing, keep working hard. God bless you, children.